know, the dispute has been settled. Your defense of honor has exacted a cruel price from Marseille.
And yet Stormwind may rejoice, turn, my lord. Hear your people cheer.
Take your ease for now, my lord. Return at my call.
Chancellor, let the combat go forward.
The time has come to test the mettle of Arok Salvang, the Red Knight. In mortal defiance to his challenge, Zeratul, the Green Knight. Here is combat to the death. Take your places at Eagles the Horse, my lords, and may your lance find its mark. Ride him down. My lord of Stormwind.
This final contest shall be weighed upon the scale of our forefathers. Let it be decided by the right of the sword.
From many, but two remain. One from the Alliance,